I haven't sat down on it yet. It's heated. It's heated toilet. What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Kyoto, Japan. This city is amazing. It's a little chilly right now, it is winter, and I ate so many good things today, saw incredible attractions, but right now what I want to do is show you my apartment. I'm going to give you an apartment tour. There's a really nice apartment right here, about a 10-minute walk from Kyoto Station. Kyoto Station is the main station here. It's one of the biggest stations in the country, train stations. When I left Tokyo on the bullet train, that's where I arrived. And I walked 10 minutes to here, and here we are. Let's go inside, follow me. No, I love this building, it's super nice. It's like really, really modern. You can see right here we have like bike racks, really cool. So if you have a bike, you can just park it here, and you lock it up, and that's it. Now follow me. So I have to do this. Open this, so good security, right? We're on the 3rd floor. This is my key, and it's 301. And yeah, look, security system. No, this place is like really legit. You know, there's no crime here in Japan. It's like almost non-existent. But I like the security of this place. It's like really nice, that it's comfortable, everything's safe. I rented this place on Airbnb, so definitely check out the link below. But let me show you my units right here. Really cool. There's 2 locks. So you do the double lock, right? So open that one. Open that one. Bam. And here we go. Turn on the lights. One thing you have to always do in Japan is leave your shoes. So take off your shoes right away. This is part of Japanese etiquette. Always take off your shoes. It's really disrespectful if you walk into somebody's house with your shoes on. Like, never do that. So here we go. This is the kitchenette, as you can see. Here we have a faucet. Here we can make some eggs. We got cups, coffee cups. We have a microwave. This is for tea, right? We have a small fridge, freezer, fridge. Very nice. Then over here, we have a trash can and a recycling. Just gotta move this. Trash can, recycling. A smaller closet. This is where you can keep your shoes. This is where you can have your umbrella in case it rains. Very nice. And then look at this bathroom. Wow, I love it. Like, so much technology here. I don't even know. There's so many buttons. And then over here, we have a washer, dryer. It's a washer and a dryer in one. Very nice. Towels. So my towels here if I want to take a shower now. And then over here, turn on the light. Right? Oh, nice. And this is my shower. Very nice. So as you can see, just put this inside, right? Or you don't put it inside. So you just use it from here. Take a shower. I love it. It's really sleek, as you can see. Very modern. Floor is nice. And now let me show you the toilet, because if you guys didn't know, Japan has the most luxurious toilets in the world. Come, come. They're like always heated. I don't know if this one's heated, but I haven't sat down on it yet. It's heated. It's heated toilet. And then there's so many buttons, and that's like bidet buttons, right? So you have a bunch of different things here. So the bidet moves. And then you also have a little sink right here to wash your hands. So here we have it, our studio apartment, right? You got a big bed here. This looks like a queen size bed. Might be, yeah, it's queen size bed. We have a twin size bed, and then we have a couch. Very relaxing. I also have this. It tells me the temperature outside. 16 degrees Celsius, really cold. And yeah, I mean, this is everything I need, right? It's super nice. I recommend coming here as a couple, or maybe like 2-3 friends. You definitely fit through maybe 2 people, a person, and then another person. So maybe 4 people can come here. If you travel with a family, the same thing. I mean, it'll be a little tight for a family. It really depends how big the family is. But I really, really like this place. As you can see, really clean. And this is how it is in Japan. I mean, everything's super nice, clean, and legit. Oh, and let me show you here, closet. So, in case it gets too cold, I got more blankets, got more pillows. I can hang my clothes. Unfortunately, I'm only here 2 nights, so I don't really have time to hang my clothes. I'd rather not do that. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed my apartment tour. I'll see you in the morning. Konnichiwa, everyone. Wow, I slept like a baby last night. It was so cold in Kyoto. It was like -2 Celsius, 28 Fahrenheit. So what I did is I made the room really warm. I turned on the heater. I got an extra blanket, and I was like in a super hot cocoon. It was amazing. It's still like 35 Fahrenheit, so like 2 or 3 Celsius, and it actually was snowing for a little bit this morning. As you can see, it looks a little wet outside, but it's all good. Let's go inside. Oh yeah, and by the way, they also have a terrace here. I didn't show you guys this earlier, but nice terrace, right? Amazing. And now, let's go see the neighborhood. Wow, it is snowing. It is snowing. Look at this. The snow's coming down. A little bit. It's so much though. It's everywhere. Oh my God, I haven't seen snow in a long time. Is it landing on me yet? Woo, right there. The thing is that I'm from Miami, so whenever I see snow, it's like, wow, it never happens. I'm so fortunate for it to happen on this trip. This is amazing. And yeah, so the first thing I want to do is show you the best part about this place is that I have coffee right outside of my apartment. It's amazing. And if you guys didn't know, there's over 2.4 million like liquid vending machines in Japan. 2.4 million. Right here we have one. We have another one right there. And yeah, they're basically just liquid. So you have coffee, you have tea, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the Boss coffee. Coffee Boss, see that? Coffee Boss. That's what I always get. I get the cold version because I can't really deal with the hot one. It's just a little too hot, and they have multiple variations. So they have like this one. These are all special, rainbow, black. I'm going with this one, guys. It's 100 yen. And right there, we got some coffee. Whoa, the snow's really starting to come down now. So let me show you this. Right here, we have like a little Buddhist shrine. It's amazing. You see that all over Kyoto. And if you guys didn't know, Kyoto was the capital of Japan for like 1,000 years, from like the 8th century to the 20th century. And yeah, this place has a lot of history. They have a lot of temples and shrines. I think there's over 2,000. So if you really wanted to see them all, you would have to live here for a few years. Wow, it really is coming down right now. This is just so beautiful. And let me post up so much to have my coffee because I need to have coffee right now. And then right here we have a convenience store, so Family Mart, you know, Family Mart, 7-Eleven, and Lawson. They're like everywhere in the country. There's thousands of them. I mean, you can see them like every 2 or 3 blocks. You can see a convenience store. And this street, once we get to the end of it, is like a huge temple right here. Looks really, really old, probably like the 15th century. And then we're gonna go left, and over there you're gonna see that's Kyoto Station, Kyoto Tower. These are the most important places in the city in terms of transportation. And whoa, man, it doesn't stop snowing. Somewhere and drink my coffee. It's like, I need it right now. Wow, this is gorgeous, look at that. Beautiful. I love that there's so much history here. I had to like get out of the snow for a second. There was nowhere for me to sit, so I sat here next to the temple. Wow, premium Boss. Very strong coffee, incredible. And let me tell you about this temple. This is Higashi Honjanji, officially known as the Shinshu Honbayu. It is the mother temple of the Shinshu Otani branch of Judo Shinshu, aka Skin Buddhism. It is one of the largest Buddhist denominations in Japan. The temple is gorgeous. That is real Japan right there. So when you stay here, definitely go visit it. And now we're walking into like the more like downtown area here where Kyoto Tower is. Kyoto Tower is the tallest structure here in Kyoto. It's like a steel tower at the 100-meter mark. They have an observation deck, and it stands at 130 meters tall, so I think like 300 feet. The reason why it's the highest structure is because here in Kyoto they have a height restriction for buildings. Nothing's built over like 6-7 stories, so no skyscrapers here like Tokyo, right? And yeah, as you can see, I mean, it's becoming bustling. Everybody's waking up. It's 7:30 in the morning. Sorry guys, I wake up so early. And as you can see, more vending machines. More vending machines, awesome. And this is the center of Kyoto. Beautiful. And then right now we're inside the center of Kyoto. And here we have Kyoto Station, the biggest station in Kyoto and one of the biggest in the countries. It is massive. They have like a skywalk, they have restaurants. It's just huge. From here, you can take the bullet train from here, you can take the metro, the subway, any train, and we also have Kyoto Tower, and that is the tallest structure in Kyoto at 130 meters high, and they also have an observation deck at 100 meters. Yeah guys, that was my incredible apartment slash neighborhood tour here in Kyoto. I love this studio apartment, centrally located, lots of attractions, and yeah, just an awesome place to stay. If you love this video guys, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Japan.